Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to discuss on the mayor of Castro Bridge. First of all, I am going to say that the mayor of the Castro Bridge, about the title mayor. Who was the mayor? Michael Henchard was the mayor of the Castro Bridge town. Castro Bridge was a fictional town created by the author Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy was famous for his Wessex novel, and the mayor of Castro Bridge was his masterpiece, and it was published in 1886. When the novel begins, Michael Henchard, a hay treasure with his wife and a daughter, he came to the nearest Dorset town for the search of job. In the middle of the way, he stopped a place of Formity. Formity woman, where there a Formity woman supplies a alcoholic drink, a soft drink. Formity means a soft drink, spices on it. There he ate and drank a lot. He said, the Michael Henchard said, my life was full of unhappiness, and all of unhappiness that was full of sadness. Then due to the over drunkenness, he sold his wife Susan and his daughter Elizabeth to Newson. Who was Newson? Newson was a seller who was trading to the overseas. After selling his daughter and wife, he swears or promise or not to take alcohol, or promise in a church not to take or not to touch, not to touch alcohol for 20 years. When he realized in the morning or when he wake up, he realized that what did I do, or he realized his mistakes. Then he searched everywhere but do not find his family, his wife Susan and his daughter Elizabeth. Then he went to the Castro Bridge town. There he established as a famous corn dealer. The corn dealer, established a corn dealer. Then after 18 years, in between the in the 18 years, before 18 years, Newson, Susan heard, it was declared that Newson was dead or drowned in the overseas. After hearing that, Susan and his daughter Elizabeth came to the Castro Bridge for the search of his husband, Michael Henchard. Then he came to the particular place where Henchard sold, where Henchard sold her and her daughter, particular place, and he asked the Formity woman about the Henchard. Then Formity woman said, go to the Castro Bridge and find Michael Henchard. Then the Susan came to the Castro Bridge town and stayed in a hotel. They are in the nearest hotel, three mariners. Michael Henchard. There is suddenly a new character enters. Donald Farprey. Donald Farprey was an agriculturist. He was studying agriculture in the abroad. Then he came to the hotel, and Michael Henchard met him. When after some time, after maybe 1 or 2 days, Susan with her daughter, he went to search of his husband Michael Henchard. She saw that some people were gathered at a particular place for the loss of the corn due to the bad harvest. Then he heard that Michael Henchard was the mayor. Then she was very happy to hear that. She was very happy to hear that my husband now may be the mayor of the entire Castro Bridge town. Here that she came to the hotel and stayed there. For the hotel's maintenance, her daughter Susan was working as a waitress. There she met with Donald Farprey. Donald Farprey was a important character, and Donald Farprey helped Michael Henchard for the loss of the crops and to save the money. Then Michael Henchard appointed his and offer him as a manager, as a manager post. Then she agreed and he worked with her. He worked with her, and after a few days, Donald Farpre came again and again to the hotel to Three Managers to meet the Henchard's daughter, Elizabeth Jen. Their particularly love relationship grew, secretly love relationship grew. Then when Michael Henchard heard that, he want his manager, new manager. Newly appointed manager Donald Farpre. Then Donald Farpre turned into his rivalry. Then he separated from Donald Farpre and established a new business. Set up a new business. After hearing that, when he separated Susan tries to meet his husband Michael Henchard. She wrote a letter to meet with her. Then when Michael Henchard saw it, Michael Henchard also wrote another letter to meet him secretly. And when they made it was impossible to remarriage or again restart marriage again, because his name and fame will go to loss. At last they were agreed to marriage. After their remarriage, Susan and Michael Henchard. Susan died some of the causes. Michael Henchard thought that it was the right time to told Elizabeth Jane, I am your real father. And at last he told that. When he go to the Elizabeth Jane's death bed, he found a letter. A line was written on the letter, don't open it before the Elizabeth Jane's marriage. But Michael Henchard opened it. A particular line was written there. Elizabeth Jane was not his own daughter. It was the daughter of Newson. When he heard that, he was very shocked that Elizabeth Jane was not my daughter. Then he returned back and behaved rudely, cruelly to his daughter. After it was not tolerated for Elizabeth Jane. So it was very hard to tolerate Michael Henchard's behavior. So Elizabeth Jane went to the mother's grave. There he met particularly Lucetta Templeman. Who was Lucetta Templeman? Lucetta Templeman was the lover of Michael Henchard. In 20 years, Lucetta Templeman was secret relationship with Michael Henchard. Lucetta Templeman came to the Castrovilge particular too. When she knew that Susan was dead, and he came to the Castrovilge to meet his husband Michael Henchard. She knew that, and she came. She was taken Elizabeth Jane with her. He knew that it will be best for if she will keep the Elizabeth Jane with her. Michael Henchard will continue came to her room to meet again. Their relationship will continue. So he taken her to his room. Then Donald Farpre came again and again to meet his lover Elizabeth Jane. It was a very when he after heard that Michael Henchard went to Lucetta Templeman and said, if you will marry, I want to forget one line. When When Donald Falpe came again and again to meet Elizabeth Jane, instead of Elizabeth Jane, Lucetta Templeman loves Farplay. To hear that, Michael Henchard went there and want there if you will marry. Said want Lucetta Templeman if you will marry Donald Farplay, I will reveal the truth and so the particular letter it was written by, so if every particular letter well, the love letters, you may call it the love letters. So he was feared and not to tell, and fear decided not to tell. At the time, sudden incidentally, the permit woman appeared there and told about the reality. She recognized the Michael Henchard, recognized the particular Michael Henchard and told that you are Michael Henchard. He told you are Michael. Suddenly, suddenly the permit woman appeared and said all the reality and recognized the Michael Henchard and told you are the Michael Henchard and you sold your wife Susan and his daughter and your daughter Elizabeth Jane. It was very shocked Michael Henchard, and his position and his name and fame were lost. He loses everything. In the name and fame and wealth, so he went away. Then went away in other places. He went away, and at the time, particularly the way of their return back. Newson came again. And he heard somewhere my daughter Elizabeth Jane was lived after the Susan's death. He heard some of the bad news somewhere. Then he came Michael Henchard and told that where is my daughter and give me my daughter. And Michael Henchard told a big lie. Elizabeth Jane was not your daughter. She is my own daughter. Then it was very shocked that. Then he went out after at that place. She went away. After some time, Michael Henchard went away from his worker Abel Hotel's farm. Then Newson came again and to meet his daughter Elizabeth Jane. Elizabeth Jane realized his mistake. Michael Henchard was my father. He takes care of me and my mother. So Newson and Elizabeth Jane searched Michael Henchard but not find. When he found Elizabeth said Michael Henchard was dead with his Abel Hotel's farms. Then he came and Donald Farplay and Elizabeth Jane was married. The novel ends with Michael Henchard's death.